Excellent drawings, excellent solutions, Nancy. I'm really happy with what you have here. I like the uh, cutaway view that we see in this one. The angled sides, the uh, rounded top with the repeated circular motif for the handle. I think all works really well here, and it's quite a good solution. As you say, getting them into Photoshop would be useful. I think that you have. Handwriting that seems, um, if you pushed a little bit further, would be fantastic to use. And just coloring them in, making sure that you have all the important notes, sizes are really important, dimensions of the bags, materials, what the bags are made of are going to be really important to the client. And like I said, colors too are going to be questions, a question that the client will have. Remember that these are what you present to the client, and more than likely the client will take the drawings away and have a conversation about them with his or her colleagues about what is the best solution. So getting all the information that you can onto these is really quite important. Again, really good drawings, really good solutions here. And then this last one. This one is, quite like a old-fashioned shopping bag in its shape, and so that would probably be the one that least addresses the project brief. But I think the other two are absolutely terrific. Okay.